Okay, quick follow-up to our GMXR free pick from last night. This is what it looked like when we showed it to you. Had a couple catalysts, 545 as a trigger price and 549. Through both of those, we were looking for another leg momentum trade higher. And then as you can see, it never hit either one of those. Having said that, I did nibble on it. Get my drawing tool going. I did nibble on it as it broke the high of the day right here. As I told everybody, worst case stop below these candles. So it was about a dime risk, looking for a pretty quick follow through through yesterday's high, knowing that the high of day break could get us there. As you know, if you traded today, the market was very weak and just couldn't get this going. But gave plenty of time to kill this for either flat or for a very small loss. As you know, we sent out an email today talking about PWER. I love the way this thing gapped up to 13. These are daily candles. And then just sold off for 2 straight days, based for a while, sold off again on Thursday, and then today gapped down to an area of support. So this, to me, looks like a not only just a long for a trade today, but also I nibbled on some in an IRA today, I think around 8.55. But we did have a couple calls on it in our chat room. I wanted to share this with you. I called it somewhere around 8.40-ish on this sell-off early. And then we had a couple other trades in it. I think right here was one, which gave us a nice pop through the high of the day. We always sell into that pop with a break-even stop. After that, we sell part of a trade. Can't remember if we called this base break too. I had several calls in this one. Also called it here, right over this tight base with a tight stop, and got a nice move out of that. So nothing huge. But this thing had great relative strength after this early sell-off. You know, the SPY was pretty weak all day, and PWER just didn't want to go down. So we had a few trades in it. I can bring the snapshot I took earlier of PWER just to show you. I made $1,400 just trading this one today. So it was enough volume to get as many shares as you want, and I took about 3 different trades in that and had a pretty good day with PWER. So as we said in the email, I switched my attention from GMXR to that one. I don't really have any other great highlights from today. I didn't do a good job this morning for our chat room members of building a list of possible shorts. Market kind of caught me off guard a little bit, and so I did a lot of sitting on my hands today, but PWER was actually pretty nice. Didn't get the measured move I was looking for, and again, still have some in my IRA. But as far as my trading shares, I just showed you how I did with it with PWER in that light. So anyway, we'll follow up next week. We'll send out another free pick, and every night we should have a highlight video from trades that we called in the chat room on each respective day. So I'm going to quit babbling. Have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.